Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf Shah from Techdroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And yeah, we're kind of doing the RTX family unboxings on Techdroids here. So today I've got you guys the RTX 2080Ti and the RTX 2070. We did the RTX 2060 in the last video, and in this one we'll do the big boy, the RTX 2080Ti from Galax. So we're going to do the unboxing, check out what's in the box and how the graphics card looks. And we're also going to do the RTX 2070 in the next video, and after that I'll be doing comparisons between the three graphics cards. Their reviews are coming out, so benchmarks of that. And as promised in the last video, the Ryzen 7 2700X 1 lakh ultimate gaming PC build, that's coming out very soon as well. But in this video, let's check out the RTX 2080 Ti from Galax. And yeah, this is a very expensive graphics card, and thanks so much to Galax India for actually providing me with the graphic card, because it is very tough to get your hands on one of these. And yeah, if you want these on MD computers, you can get it for 94,000 rupees. And yeah, if you're buying offline, that's the similar price range you're looking at. But if you buy from Amazon or something, you're going to pay a little more. So if you're buying it from something very official, you're going to pay a little more. But nonetheless, it's a really good graphics card. So you have 11 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory on this one. You have a USB Type-C port for display output. You also have 3 display ports, 1 HDMI. So DVI is gone on this one. Pretty sick looking box, RTX 2080 Ti, Galax branding, and I really like the packaging on this one. So this is the SG edition, and with that all out of the way, let's just dig into it. On the front here you have it, what's your game? That's their tagline for the 2080 Ti. And yeah, pretty good looking box, and this is actually really good packaging. And you have your styrofoam over here, not really something that you want to use. And first thing in the box is this small compartment that should have your Molex to PCI 8-pin. This graphic card is quite power hungry, so you need 16 pins to power it. So a 16-pin PCI connector. Yes, as expected, you have Molex to 8-pin, 2 of those to actually power this graphics card. And the minimum power requirement for this one is going to be 650 watts. So yeah, you need to make sure you at least have a 650 watt PSU to power this one. We definitely have it on this PC, but if you are actually buying this for yourself, make sure you have a 650 watt or greater PSU. And with that out of the way, let's just get to the main deal. This is the Galax RTX 2080 Ti, and I'm gonna keep it to the side and get rid of this box for a second. And here it is. Let's take it out of the anti-static bag. It's a huge graphics card, I can tell you, just from the packaging itself. And just look at it. It is beautiful, and we haven't even taken off the plastic from it yet. It just is so big. It has the 2 8-pins PCI connectors for the power. You have your GeForce RTX branding over here. You have your Galax branding over here. 3 fans. This just is so gorgeous. In terms of your output, you have your 3 display ports, 1 USB Type-C and 1 HDMI as promised. And just look at it for a while. And I actually have the RTX 2070 as well, but comparing it to the RTX 2060, this is a behemoth. This is a huge graphics card. And unfortunately, that is it for this video, guys. That was it for the unboxing. And yeah, we're going to be doing some comparisons and reviews for the RTX series of graphics cards. I know I'm late, but better late than never, right? So yeah, unboxings and comparisons coming soon. So stay tuned to the channel. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Also go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.